Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Hina from Soulful Adventures. So, here we are for our tarot reading for the month of May. It's an official Taurus season which starts from April 19 and ends at May 20. So, Taurus is a sign of patience, reliability, stability. So, it is a sign where we have to ground ourselves, balance, and think. Okay, after the faster movement of Aries sign, there is the phase of stability, we can say, where we have to settle down, think properly, indulge ourselves into comfort, stability, luxury. Okay, and with all the love, think for the future plans. It's a proper season to, you know, it's a quite proper season where you can meditate, when you can think about new plans, your new future, and then make plans for coming season of Gemini, Cancer, and Leo. Okay, this is a season of planning, guys. So welcome to the Taurus season, and let's check out what are the tarot reading for each sign. So guys, let's see what are the cards for the second zodiac sign, that is Taurus, for the month of May 2020, and it's your birth month, guys. The sun is in Taurus. So let's see what your birth month has to tell you. This is the first card. The second card. The third card. The fourth card, the fifth card, and the sixth card. And wow, see, the overall card is the Hierophant, and this is your card, guys. It's a Taurus card. So it's a beautiful thing that this month is your birth month. The sun is in Taurus and you have got the Taurus card in your reading. Wow, this can't be a coincidence. Okay, so what universe wants to tell you? Let's start with the first card. That is Two of Pentacles. Now, Two of Pentacles is a card where you have to decide something. Okay, guys. The first position is about the current situation, current circumstances. When there are twos in a reading, it's about choice. And when it is about pentacles, it is about the material world. So you have to make some decision, and you are confused currently in this current scenario regarding a decision about money. It can be wealth, it can be health, something which is tangible. It can be, yeah, exactly. It can be money confusions. You are juggling between the two situations in your life, whether to select this opportunity or that opportunity, whether to select now to work or to study, whether to marry or to continue with the job. This kind of confusions are there in your mind currently in the month of May. When you see the second card, that is the external forces affecting your decision to go ahead. This is the position of the second card. Now, what are the external sources that is affecting you? It's about love. If you can see, Ace of Cups is about love. So I think you are this month, the resistance, which are the external forces, it's about love. You're thinking more about getting settled, maybe marriage, maybe having a relationship, or you're already in love and you are not able to think anything except that person so that you can achieve the another goals. As we can see, yes, this is very much sure that you are struggling a decision between two choices, that is work and love. And this love is resisting you to go ahead because you are not able to think anything except the love about that person. and you may be afraid, or you are fearing that you would be rejected, or you're afraid to tell someone that I have feelings for you. And this kind of energy, this kind of emotional energy is restricting you to take a proper decision, and that's why you are juggling. Now when we go to the third card, the third position is about channelizing your energy clearly, Taurus. This is about channelizing your energy into your health. It's about your health. The rest is needed. Yes, this is a sickness card, but not necessarily that you would be sick. It just means that you need a proper rest, a proper mental rest, maybe a meditation. It's a best way of resting, to become more calm, to think about this love situation, to think about this situation of confusion. You need to rest. That's why universe in the position of third is telling you to rest, become calm, plan regarding this love, solve these confusions. This is what the universe is advising you in the month of May, Taurus. Fourth sign is again resistance card, but this resistance is not externally, it is internally. If I am not sure, okay guys, but these cards are very much telling you that somewhere you are becoming more possessive about marriage, settlement, a relationship. If you can see together growing a kingdom, it can be your married life problems, it can be some small fights into your relationship with friends also. But both external and internal reason for the restrictions or resistance of your success is love, marriage, relationship, a commitment. Okay, both are positive cards. Let me tell you, these cards are positive, but in a situation or at a position which has a negative influence and resistance to your future. It's upon you to take the decision by relaxing, by resting this month and properly deciding. The fifth card is about the stability. You know what, guys? This card is again the Hanged Man. Sacrifices are to be made. Time has to be gone. It has to pass. You have to relax. You have to calm yourself. You have the time to let go, hang on. First of all, get stable, get settled, and then think of a relationship, commitment, or love. This is what is the answer to your confusion situation. Very clearly, if you can synchronize all this, it's very clear. You want to take a decision, you are confused about. Externally, your love is, resisting you. Internally, again, your commitment, your marriage, your love is resisting you. Universe is guiding you to take care of yourself, since this is a sickness card. It's about health. What vibes I am getting, it's more about mental health, guys. So you have to relax this month. Think positively. And the fifth card is all about the sacrifices. And this time the sacrifices of time and not love. Because to achieve this, you have to hang on, think, relax, and then take a decision. The sixth card, that is the future outcome, is about the Ten of Swords. Now, Ten of Swords is about a situation that is coming to an end, a toxic situation which needs an end to start and begin a new journey of life. the new beginnings. Definitely your decision to give commitment or to think more about getting married without settling down, without stabilizing, without giving any, sacrifices, compromises, and you want to love, and if you want to marry and get settled and you're committing someone, then it's going to be a problem. So this situation has to be ended. Your future outcome is this toxic situation will come to an end if and only if you are taking the proper decisions about this confusion. And how can you take these decisions? By relaxing, by meditating, by giving the rest to your mind, to replenish yourself, to refresh, and then take a decision, guys. Swords is all about decision, and when it comes with 4, it's about stabilizing. Get stable first, then you can commit, then you can love. This is what the month of May wants to tell you, Taurians. The future outcome is going to be very bright after the end of the toxicity in your life. Yes, sure, it will hurt. But guys, let me tell you, be settled first. Otherwise, it will hurt more. Without any sacrifices, there is nothing that you can achieve. Everything is give and take in this life. This is what I can advise you by seeing these cards. And the overall energy is the Hierophant, which is also a marriage card. So, you are this month only thinking, see, naturally Taurians are romantic. They are the most loving person. You can say Taurians can be more about love. They are more about love, more poised and stable kind of, more patient kind of people. But if you're only thinking about love, romance, marriage, and not giving the second thought of getting settled regarding your work, regarding your career, the toxicity will grow and it will eat you. It's better that this toxic situation should be ended, to start focusing on proper decisions regarding work, getting settled first by relaxing, and then after some of these sacrifices which I told you, which is going to end, you are going to achieve this commitment, this stability. He is the high priest. He has all the knowledge. He has seen both positive and negativities of a person, and he can guide you properly. This is your energy. You are more than stable sign, Taurans. You don't need, to get more grounded. But this situation, it tells you, if you want to avoid confusion, get back to your work and planning things than, just having illusions about love and romance. Get settled, get stable, and the romance, love, and marriage will come to you. This is what I can advise you, seeing the cards. Next month we will be meeting for the Gemini readings. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.